welcome back to my channel. So today you are going to be seeing my attempt at the first brush out. This is my new hair colour, in case you don't follow me on Instagram. If not, why? And you haven't seen it. It's really pretty also. I think my makeup came out really cute today. Not that the sun will probably allow you to see, but... Whew, okay, so we are going to try to get a cute hairstyle. I'm desperately hoping these have dried overnight. We're about to see, because I just took the post roller out. Oh my god. That's a curl. I can feel it. Look at my poor little roller. Look at my poor... It's all smushed. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm gonna these out. I'm gonna have to wash these. Look at all the ends so far. This is great. Okay, how are you gonna decide there? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. I think I did it wrong. I am going to be brushing my hair for over half an hour, I can already tell. So, ooh, that's quite a cute one. Okay, so this is the first time I've ever put my hair in rollers, and I actually ran out, so the bottom layer I just curled this morning with a straightener. Ouch, I keep trying to pull the rollers off. So tight. But I expected that. Okay, so now I look like a cloud. I feel like my hair's going to end up the same length it was when I pixie cut it at this rate. Okay. I don't have time to have a shower and then just put my makeup on, so this has to work. This has to work somehow. Ooh! Goodness me. Oh, there's a big knot back there. There's something called, what is that? Oh, I did pin curls. I thought about you. I had to pin curl a couple of sections. Oh my god. Help me. Frizz-free cream. This. So I think I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of oil to try and weigh it down a bit more. Just on my fingers. Like that. Run through the hair. It already looks like it's weighing down a little bit. Which is awesome. I got sectioning drips, which I can't open because I just put oil on my hand. So while I'm here, I thought I should also, talk about my new hair colour, because a lot of people have asked me why I decided to go lighter. You can, if you go in focus, there you go, you can really see it's a lot lighter, it's a lot of highlights and softness and stuff. And God, this will get better, I promise. This is so fluffy. And it's not brushed through enough to comb yet. Okay, fine. That's a bit better. And it's partly because I was just bored. I was bored of my hair, which is the same reason I cut it all off last year. I got really bored of it, but I didn't want to cut it off again. And also because can you just brush all the way through to the ends, please? When I had a really awful cold recently, which is why I haven't uploaded in a while. I had an awful cold. The black hair always made me look tired when I wasn't really wearing makeup or anything. Unless I was extremely bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, which was rare, then I always looked tired with my black hair. But when I was ill, I looked like a corpse, like a walking corpse. And it was just not a good look. It really wasn't. Section is fluffy off, so it's going to be fluffy at the bottom. Let's see if that helps. Oh my god, it's so fluffy. I have to get it looking somewhat presentable. I have a seminar today. I can't go in looking like this. It can't be straightened. There is no physical way I can straighten all of this hair, and I'm not supposed to straighten my hair very much because I had it bleached so much, so hair, will you just calm the frick down? I feel like I did not think through how short my hair would go when I put it in the rollers, because I always look at people and I'm like, oh wow, like it really shortens up the length of the hair, and I don't think I thought through how short it would make my hair. Because my hair is only just like to there, and it's straight. I might have to put water on this, I might have to. But I don't want to. I look like a cloud, and not in a good way. The underlayer is not as awful. See, this doesn't look as bad. Why are you on focus? There you go. That's cute. That's fine. That's cute. That's fine. Leave that here. And now that side looks quite nice. I have no idea what's going on in the back. And I have no idea. No, I think I rolled this the wrong way. I think I rolled this the wrong way entirely. I rolled it up, I should have rolled it the same way I rolled the other side. What did I do with you? Okay. Okay, wait. If I just... put you up here. stick. Suction clip in you for now. And put this in for real. The clips that I always use, by the way, are from Accessorize, and the reason I always use them is because they are the best. Now I need to hairspray the living crap out of these hairs, which I definitely rolled the wrong way. Ooh, okay. 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 I feel like this could be quite cute. Ooh. Ooh. I love it. That started so badly, but I really love this. You know, let's this out a bit more. Yes! Just taking a little bit more oil and dubbing them through the ends of my hair because, again, bleached. I went from the black to this colour in one day. It was bleached to high heaven, and then highlighted, foil highlighted, and then the darker colour was put in, and then toned as well, so that it all blends together really beautifully. As you can see, oh my gosh, I am loving this more by the minute. I think it looks really gorgeous. So this is the finished look. I can't tell what the back looks like, but I'm hoping it's cute. It feels like it looks cute. So this is the finished look. I really hope you like it. I think it came out gorgeous. I will definitely keep practicing with the rollers and, you know, find new ways, new things to do. I have a new vintage hairstyles book, which I'm absolutely living for. It's so pretty. And sore throat. Again, I'm sorry for not uploading for a few weeks, but I was really ill and then I had a bunch of deadlines, so university life. But I'm back in the swing of it now, so I hope you really enjoyed this quick little experimental video and that you like how it turned out. Of course, you can watch all of my other videos on my channel when I still have the dark hair. Let me know what sort of content you would like to see, and I think that is all it. All of the links and social media and everything will be left in the description box. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!